Hey, this is Dalton with Parkland RV. I just wanted to show you this Palomino SolAire 3060 RKTS. Look at this rock guard that goes all the way around and all the way up to both sides. We've got the double propane tanks, power front jack. You've got power stabilizers on this side. These new steps are awesome. Love these new steps. All right, as you walk up in here, you'll see this thing has two climate zones because two ACs right now. So we've got your bedroom, and up here it's all vented all the way through the whole unit. Look at this living room. So you've got two recliners and theater seating right here. You've got a wireless phone charger built in. They all have lights and power to every cup holder. Recliners again, and then that's a tri-fold sofa, so it folds out into a full-size bed. You've got your table on a swivel right here with the cute little ottomans.
It's also removable, which is cool.
Yeah, you can take this out. We've got 200 watts of solar panel on this unit. It's a cute little kitchen area that's kind of divided off from the living room. A lot of people are after that. And come check out this bedroom. Oh, as we pass, you got a fireplace right here. That'll save you on your liquid propane. Awesome bathroom. Look at the bench built in. Beautiful backsplash up here. Very nice. Plenty of room in there. You're not going to hit your knees on anything. As you walk out into the bedroom, we've got the bedroom east to west on a slide. Offers a lot more walking around room. You can clearly get all the way around this thing. Again, separate climate for in here. Look at all the storage. All these open up this big. This is insane. One of the most amounts of storage I've seen in a travel trailer. Super nice unit. Definitely reach out to us. More storage down here.
It's crazy.
It is crazy. Reach out to us. Parkland RV Center. I'm Dalton. I'd love to help.